So here goes, one last letter now, one last attempt to make sense. Who have I been writing to? I'm not sure anymore. What have I been trying to accomplish? It's a mystery, I guess, self-made secrecy. Things get cloudy and now all these stories and the struggle as an undercurrent both get blurry by the minute, both get blurrier. So which voice is this then that I am writing in? Is it my own or his? Has there ever been a difference between them at all? I don't know. I don't know. One less desperate plea, one less verse to sing, one less laugh track to accompany.